Hi everyone, it's Kenny here, and today I'm in KL's Trader Square Setapak. We are going to, my friend actually has booked a buffet for us in this shop called the Samurai Yakiniku. So we're gonna go and have a buffet. The buffet, if I'm not mistaken, is 35 ringgit each per head, and it's better to do reservation because the place is full and they have a few branches, and I'm in Setapak branch. If you are late for 15 minutes after you reserve, they will release the table to other people that is waiting. Okay, walk in. And one session you are given 1.5 hours to eat. After that, finish. Okay, so let's go and see what they offer. So the shop is located in this part of KL Trader Square. You have to enter. They have a paid parking. All these are paid parking. So this is the shop, Samurai Yakiniku. I like the decoration out there. Look at this samurai. Well, the artwork is nice, man. Let's see what they have to offer. So this is what I came for today. It's 35 ringgit only. You can scan for the full menu, and this is their operating hours. Unlimited yakiniku, shabu shabu, yakitori. Wow! All unlimited meat, a lot salad, miso soup. 1 hour 30 minutes max. Okay. So you have the option to order if you want. Okay, not bad Quite a lot of variety. So what are you cooking?
Chicken, lamb, beef is inside the soup.
Oh, okay. Beef is inside the soup. So that's beef,
I
lamb,
think 6 is the highest.
and we have some rice here, soup,
Make it higher.
salad,
8 is the highest.
ice water, miso soup. Okay, so this is the lamb. Got some sauce and put here. Let's try. Looks good. Here you have to cook yourself, Alright. Here's the lamb. Thank you. Meat is tough, but it's good. It covered with the sauce. The way they thinly slice it, so it cook faster and tastes good with the sauce. You see? Hold on.
You guys want salad? Maybe have.
Now is the chicken. I'm actually grilling the chicken. This is the salad. Put the bone inside. This is the salad. Grilling the chicken. Wow. So everything actually they cut into small pieces. It's easier and faster to cook. It's also thinly sliced. The rice here is actually very fragrant. Because you don't compare with those high-end Japanese restaurants, but it's still quite good quality of rice they give here. Sukiyaki. So there's beef slices, thinly sliced beef. Don't leave it too long inside. Once change color, just take out. Jap.
Ini saja lah.
Ini Demon Slayer, Demon Slayer fan.
Ayo. Besar punya.
Tak ada nak cakap apa-apa ke? Welcome to Samurai Yakiniku
Ayo,
ke?
datang ramai-ramai kat Samurai Yakiniku Setapak. And depan lah kat sini.
Jumpa. Siapa nama?
Nama saya Hisham.
Hisham. Oh, chief manager.
Oh, you Hisham. Ayo, lambat lagi you.
Okey lah Hisham, lain kali ada apa-apa kita boleh contact you kan?
Boleh, tak ada masalah.
Nanti tinggalkan telefon lah, nombor telefon.
Boleh kau terus booking kat sini number je.
Boleh.
030 528 2080.
Maaf ya tangan kiri.
Tapi okay.
Nanti. Okay, go in this restaurant. You see this? Better don't find fault Oh, there's a prop here. You want to take photo? Okay. This is Demon Slayer, Tanjiro's. This is Giyu's. This is Zenitsu. I think this one I can't remember. This one is Missouri, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, the owner is actually a big Demon Slayer fan, so you can actually put on the props and take this katana, take photo. Okay? Okay, I'm done with lunch. That was quite an experience with Samurai Yakiniku. The price is reasonable, the atmosphere is perfect. It's actually good for you together, and the staff is also very friendly. So here's the card. I will leave the contact down below for the Setapak branch. You can come and look for them. Okay? So that's it for me. This is Kenny here, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.